spots. She is right up in there.
Is she?
Yep.
Good for her.
I thought she was going to jump in your lap.
I do too.
I did too.
Here is my keto dinner. That is a hamburger patty with cheese and bacon and a fried egg. Yum. Talk to Mike, who, believe it or not, lives full-time in this little Ford Ranger. Let's talk about it. What year is it?
It's a 2011, the last year they made the Ranger here in the U.S., but there are rumors that they're going to reintroduce it.
Oh, okay. And why a truck?
Well, I had a 2001 that I really liked and blew it up. And then I bought this 2011 and I just fell
like
in love with it.
that's what you
loved
had,
it.
and that's what
That's what I had. You can see I bought a camper top for it. It doesn't match, but
it makes it you.
It makes
That's
it
how
me.
we know it's you coming.
everybody can see, hey, there's Fat Boy in the blue truck.
Can we see the inside? We
Sure,
don't need to see the
sure.
cab because, you know, all truck cabs look alike.
Yeah, and this just, if truck cab's just nothing else more than my pantry. But
And
it's kind of lived in. But there's my
your
little
bed.
blanket for cool evenings. I've got a 0-degree sleeping bag for the cold nights, and buddy heater that I've used I think twice when we had that 27 degrees.
Yep.
But other than that, that's my clean laundry. That's my dirty laundry. That's miscellaneous extras.
Okay, now I got rid of the shadows. So, and do you cook?
I don't cook. I cook here on the tailgate, or I cook on the hood of the truck.
Oh, okay.
And just depending on which ways the wind's blowing.
Okay.
Because I just got a little one-burner Coleman camp stove.
And I see you cook breakfast every morning.
I cook breakfast every morning. That's my favorite meal. I'll do omelets. I'll find some grits. So I can do some grits for good old Atlanta boy. And miss my Waffle House sometimes.
And how long have you been in it?
I started October the 16th when I left Atlanta.
So just this past October.
Just this past October.
And you came to the van build.
I came to the van build by accident.
Oh, by accident?
Yeah, I was running around Parker, and I happened to see Aja stopped on the side of the road, and I thought maybe she had trouble. She was just doing internet. She goes, hey, we're parked 5 miles down the road.
That's when
and
we met
I was
you.
camping 2 miles down the road, so I kept going, and that's when I hooked up with all you guys.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, he's been with us now for about 2 months, and we love him. Do you have solar?
I do not have solar. I don't need solar.
Because
There's my solar right there.
Yeah.
That big yellow ball up there in the sky.
So you charge your phone through your car battery?
Yeah, you can see the wires hanging through. I've got wires that pass through and go into the cigarette lighter.
Okay, right.
And I just charge it at night while I'm sleeping. And it's pretty good. It lasts most of the day.
Okay.
And then I've got my little Chromebook back here that I'll get on the internet and watch movies or something if I'm bored. But normally when we go to bed, it's like hiking the Appalachian Trail. Once it gets dark, it's time to go to sleep.
Right.
And you get up in the morning and start all over. But I love it.
Okay, everybody wants to know, where do you poop?
In a bucket. I have I have a 4-door Ranger. This one, the 5-gallon bucket is my shower bucket. It's full of water.
Oh.
And the sun heats it. And then the 7-gallon bucket sits me up a little higher. That's the poop bucket. But I just open both doors. And I have a tarp that I hang around and sit right there and do my duty.
And we never knew.
And, yeah.
Now we know.
Now
when
you know
we
when you see the gray bucket, stay clear.
Hey, everybody poops. You know, people always think it's so gross and so weird. It's like, you know what? If you're not pooping, you're dying.
Yeah, there's something wrong. But that's basically it. I mean, it's I am looking to go back in April. My son's getting married, and I'm gonna go back to Atlanta. When I do, I'm gonna get a cargo trailer, I believe, because I really like my little Ranger.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna convert a cargo trailer. I've seen a bunch of conversions here at the RTR. Got a lot of ideas, and that's probably the way I'll go.
That's really cool.
That way I can drop it and have camp and
Yep.
run to town if I need to,
There you go.
without grabbing everything and throwing it in there.
Well, it's small, but it's home, and
That's it.
it's cozy. And what do you use for a mattress?
I have a 5-inch piece of foam that I had cut at a upholstery shop in Phoenix, Arizona.
Oh, okay.
It's 30 by 72 by 5 inches, and it's more comfortable than the bed I had at home.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's just a foam mattress,
Very good.
and it's I'm totally comfortable in there every night.
Do you have any words of wisdom for people thinking about doing this?
Do it.
Do it.
Just get
do
out
it.
and do it.
Yeah.
Everybody out here they're all like-minded. Everybody will help you. Any questions, you can get answers. I hear a drone.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
I'm like, are
somebody's flying
there
a drone.
bees around me
No,
or
it's not a bee, it's a drone.
Okay.
But yeah, just get out and do it.
Thanks, Mike. I
No problem.
appreciate it, and we love your
pleasure.
little truck.
Yeah, I love it too.
Okay. We'll talk to you later.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. You need dinner?
I have dinner. Thank you.
Potatoes, onions, and sausage.
Yum. Potatoes, onions, and sausage. Doesn't get much better than that.
Only if I had some bell pepper.
Yeah. Yeah.